part 3. She's pouring out the noodle water. I mean the broth. Whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it, I guess. She told me it's just noodle water, so I guess I believe her. Cause she makes noodles more than me. That was done cutting. Dance time. She's getting the milk to make it creamy. Creamy. Hey. Boy, you already started eating them?
This expired yesterday.
Oh.
No, I don't care.
Okay, I guess we have.
That was a day ago.
Hopefully we don't get salmonella. Hopefully. Let's see. Hopefully you don't get salmonella because you're gonna be the one eating all this.
That's gross.
Milk.
But by the time it's tomorrow, by the time the next time I eat my noodles, which is on Friday, I'm not using this milk.
That milk's old.
Because after this,
half a jug of milk wasted.
all that milk. Because she wanted to buy on like Saturday, which wasn't.
You bought it Saturday?
Yeah.
So it's expired in 4 days. In 4 days it expired.
Yeah. Because she didn't buy
Wait. Does the spoon feel hot? No, it doesn't. Surprisingly, I thought
that
it
ain't a
would.
spoon.
I mean the fork. The fork.
Why would I use a spoon?
I mean, I would. Actually, no, I wouldn't.
A sport benefit.
They serve forks at my school, instead of spoons. They give me forks.
At Jack Robinson, we used to get forks and spoons. No. At school now, they just give sporks.
We only get sporks. We only get sporks.
You want to taste the hot sauce?
Yes.
A little bit.
Let me just get a little bit. Just not too much.
That's a big
Hot
blob.
sauce.
It's hot. Trust me, it's
Fat
hot.
glob.
It's hot.
It's not that hot. It tastes good. It tastes good. Like, it has a little kick to it, but it's not that hot. Just a little kick to it. Some light. Actually, you know what? I'm starting to feel it. A little bit. I'm starting to feel it a little bit.
I told you it's hot. You gotta wait. It's an aftertaste.
Why is it still hot? I been ate it.
Because it's an aftertaste. Hot.
It's making my cut sting. It's making my cut sting already, bro. What's that? Is that cheese?
It's the pink spoon. It makes it taste better.
Oh, pink. Punk sting.
All of it. Because it tastes good. I wouldn't taste it without, but just the powder. It doesn't just taste. It don't really taste good when it's just the powder. It tastes good when it's mixed.
I'm gonna ask my mom to buy me one of these, I guess, so I can try it.
You could try a bit of mine. I didn't put that much hot sauce in.
The hot sauce, the after kick is what gets you with the hot sauce. The after kick. It could be like hours later and you still feel it. Like randomly. So can I. I can still feel it. I can feel it in my tongue. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm eating pizza. So.
Your pizza probably put on try.
Wait, I'm gonna put this down for a second.